I'm Ian, founder of EVOKE Healthy Foods. I love muesli because of its great taste and quality nutrition. A small bowl keeps me full and energized throughout the day. Best of all, it's easy to prepare. Today, I'm going to show you 4 quick and easy ways to prepare your muesli. The first way is like traditional breakfast cereal. Just pour some milk over your muesli and it's ready to eat. To make overnight oats, you can simply add milk to your muesli, cover it, and soak it overnight. The longer it soaks, the more the flavors will blend together. This is a great way to make a quick, refreshing breakfast you can just grab on your way out the door the next morning. Secondly, you can just mix muesli right in your favorite yogurt. It's a quick and easy on-the-go snack, and this is a great way to add some whole grains and some protein from the nuts and seeds to your yogurt. The third way is to cook it hot on the stovetop. This makes it really hearty, and I find having it hot makes it even more filling. Mix your muesli and water in a small saucepan. Stir it occasionally until it boils. Finally, the fourth way is to cook it hot in the microwave. This will make it very filling, just like on the stove, but with the convenience of the microwave. Mix your muesli and water in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it for about 2 minutes. The first time you try this, you may want to start with 1 minute and add 30-second intervals as microwave power varies. Alright, so there you have it. 4 quick and easy ways to prepare your muesli. Whether you like it cold and refreshing or hot and hearty, there's a lot you can do with the muesli. Let us know your favorite ways in the comments below.